Hi, we are the members from friendsdunia.com. We are going to talk to you a little bit about our website. We'll do a tour of our website and little briefly talk about how friendsdunia.com is being used and to be used by all of us. Hence we introduce you our website friendsdunia.com. To get started, some really quick information about friendsdunia.com. We are free social networking plus selling plus storage plus educational website with a focus on the networking within an institute, between the students, between the faculties, and between the students and faculties. If you have used friendsdunia.com in the past, or even if you use the site regularly, there are likely things that you aren't aware that we offer. Today with this tour, we are going to make sure you know where to find all the types of facilities on our website. This is our home page. From here, you can get the access to our website. If you already have an account on our website, you can directly get into it. If you don't have an account, as you can see, there are different fields in the join form. You can just fill the form and get registered into our website. Very easy process, isn't it? If you already know about our website, you can click on the specific links you are interested in. But if you just want to kind of browse and really don't know what you are interested in, then our wall feed is the thing that you should try. You see, our website is all open. All the updates and posts can be directly seen. There are many features embedded in our wall. One of them is the rating system we have implemented. Here, each user's post can be rated on the scale of 1 to 5 according to the people's like. We can also see who has rated with how many stars on the post. We also have the comment section. If you want to express your opinion or thought on the post, you can do it here. And if you don't like the post, you can hide it from your view. As you can see, two sections on both the ends. On the left, there is You May Like section. This is the buy and sell section where users can buy or sell the product. The eligibility will be checked from the admin himself, so there is no chance of fraud. On the home page, you'll get the option of Sell Your Stuff for placing your stuff for sale. A form opens where you can put the product pic, your name, your email, details about the product and your contact details, and put the price you're expecting. On the right side, we have the latest post from the bulletins. We'll talk about the bulletins in the later session. In settings, you can change your display picture, status, password or your username. Didn't like the background? You can change it too. The About section is all about you. It shows your personal details that you have entered, like your birthday, current relationship status, address, etc. As our website is open, by clicking on the image here, you can see all the users added till now and chat with them. The blue colored circle shows if the user is online. Tired of the long list? We have the search box. Just search them by their name. Next is the messages section, where you can see the messages you have received from other users. You can just type inside the box, hit the enter key, the other end user receives your message. Okay, now about the bulletins. See the icon on the top right corner? Yeah, that's the bulletin. Bulletin is a special feature where you can share files with anyone. Need notes, assignments, answers? Get it from the bulletin. Who shares those? The users themselves. When notes are available with a user, the user shares it on the bulletin and as a result, all the users can get access to those notes. Want to share your notes or your files with many friends? Why send individually? Just upload it to the bulletin and make it available publicly. Sharing is caring, as they say. Now that you know all that friendsdunia.com has to offer, that about wraps it up. Thank you for your time today and for following along with this tour. We hope we shared with you some relevant information that will prove useful and helpful for you.